over.
RTC, this is 306, over.
06, go ahead, over.
Yeah, our lead unit today is the BCOL 46464646. We are at 7512 feet, 7512 feet. We're all set to depart here at Edmonton, over.
Okay, leading with the BCOL 46464646, and your total length is 7512, 7512, ready to depart. Lights on request, over.
Hey, thank you very much, RTC. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Our 306, over.
Thank you guys, have a safe trip. Talk to you later, RTC.
Hello and welcome back to Kids Railfanning. We're in Riviere Verte, New Brunswick, mile 209.30 Napadogan South, on December the 28th, 2024, and CN M306 is headed our way. The friendly outbound crew had to wait for L573's crew to get in position to give them a roll-by inspection, and then they had to wait patiently for the RTC to answer them so they could get the signal to depart. And with that in hand now, they are on the move, all 7,512 feet of them. Power today is BCOL 4646, CN 3047 and 4706, and mid-DPU BCOL 4648 and 95 cars. The treat today is that 4646 and 4648 are still in their BCRail dark blue paint scheme. .306 will be meeting 305 in St. Leonard tonight, and 305, with 6,576 feet of train, will be the first one there and will be taking the siding, as is normal.
CN detector, Napadogan, 215. No alarms. Temperature -2C. Total axles 414. Speed 32. Détecteur CN, Napadogan, 215. Aucun problème. Température -2C. Total, essieu 414. Vitesse 32.
BCOL 4646 East, clear signal 2, Green River.
306 has just passed the hot box detector at mile 215 and the new intermediate signal at 212.21 and will soon be rounding the curve towards us. Time to enjoy CN M306, BCRail Blues in green, Riviere Verte. I hope you enjoyed this great video of CNM 306 on BCRail Blues in green, Riviere Verte. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again at Kev's Rail Fanning, enjoy and be safe.
BCOL 4646 East, clear signal 2, Quizibus.